Hello friends, today I am going to talk about twins birth astrology. How can we say the person will give birth to twins through the Vedic astrology? Gemini is the sign of twins, so the Lord of Gemini sign Mercury plays the important role in the birth of twins. There are many rules for birth of twins. If fifth house lord is well placed in Gemini sign and receives aspect from Mercury, may give birth of twins. If Sun and Jupiter occupies Gemini and aspected by Mercury, then birth of male twins can be predicted. If Venus and Mars occupied Pisces or Virgo or Gemini and aspected by Mercury, then birth of twin female child can be predicted. If Lagna or moon sign is even sign and aspected by Venus, or Venus is connected with the moon in the birth chart, then one female and one male birth can be predicted. Most importantly, if the couples have combination for twin child in the horoscope, and if Jupiter transit to dual sign at the time of the birth of the twins, then twins birth can be predicted during that Jupiter transit. There are other rules also. Jupiter in 5th house, 7th house, 9th house, 11th house, and Mercury making connection with the Jupiter. 5th house, 7th house, 9th house, 11th house also represents childbirth. For first child we take 5th house, for second child we take 7th house, for third child we take 9th house, and for fourth child we take 11th house. So if these houses making connection with Jupiter and Mercury, then twins birth can be predicted. Fifth lord making connection with Mercury, then also twins birth can be predicted. Rahu making connection with fifth lord, then also twins birth can be predicted, but here Rahu must have connection with Mercury also. If fifth lord, seventh lord, ninth lord, 11th lords together in these houses or connected Jupiter or Rahu or both, then also twins birth can be predicted. If fifth lord, seventh lord, ninth lord, 11th lord under the influence of Mercury and Rahu, then many twins birth can be predicted, means more than two. They may be triplets or more. If fifth lord connected with seventh lord or ninth lord or 11th lord, then also twins birth possible. So friends, this is all about twins birth astrology. If you also have twins, please check these yogas in your horoscope and tell us in comments which yoga is there in your horoscope. Thank you.